Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I want us to talk about how to make money online using Forex or trading Forex. Guys, there's something important that I want to share with you. Whenever you are trading, whenever you are trading in the market, you must know what you are doing. You must have a strategy or a pattern that you know that the pattern is working very much verified, and that pattern of yours must be tested several times. And make sure that your pattern is tested by different people to see if it is working nicely. And remember, in the market, we have several things that we are using. Let us not pay much attention to what we are using. Now, for you to prevent to take so much losses, what is it that you have to do? What is it that you have to observe? What is it that you want to observe? Now, let's say, for an example, the market is on an uptrend. You want to get in. Do not just jump in and buy here and expect to make money. Wait for the market to come back a little bit down. Check what is it that they left here. Let's say you are using 3-hour time frame, and then you notice that the market is on an uptrend. Go to 2-hour time frame then. Look for something here on the uptrend. If there's nothing on 2-hour time frame, go to 1-hour time frame and check what is it you have here. If there's nothing here, go to 30 minutes and check what is it you have here. Definitely you're gonna get something that says the market is still pushing up. Therefore, wait for the market to come back and test it so that you can get your entrance. For an example, they will create opportunities for you to get in. For you to find yourself making a lot of money or making money in the market, you don't jump in anyway. You don't buy anyway, you don't sell anyway. There's a place where it is safe for you to get in. There's a place where you're supposed to buy. There's a place where you're supposed to sell. Now you must know when is the right time for you to sell. And again, that will be determined by the patterns that you are using, by the strategy that you are also using in the market. For an example, I know for a fact that you guys know which patterns I use. Remember, I only use 4 patterns, of which is support and resistance, supply and demand, trend line, and so what's the last one? Potential continuation pattern. Remember, the pattern that I am using are patterns that are showing that the market is still going to that particular direction, and the patterns will still have the potential to change the direction of the market. Therefore, you can also try the patterns if you are not profitable with the strategy that you are using. The patterns do not allow you to get in anyway. Let's say the market is going up like this. You notice that the market is on an uptrend. You decide to buy here. As soon as you buy here, the market will reverse. And once the market reverses, it will hit your stop loss. Roughly, your stop loss is going to be here. You decided to buy up there, right? And remember, you know that you must give the market a space to break. As soon as you buy here, you place your stop loss below, and then there's something that takes place below here. It might be a trend line. It might be a potential continuation pattern. One of the two. Therefore, if you're going to get in here without checking what is it you have here, the higher the chance that you're going to take a loss and then the market will continue to move according to your direction. Therefore, find something that you can use to prevent taking unnecessary losses. Let's say, for an example, you want to buy here. Use this uptrend to check what is it you have. If you notice that, oh, there's something that I have here that can pull the market down. Therefore, I'm not going to get in here. Instead, I'll wait for the market to reach this level so that I can get in and buy and place my stop loss below. And then if you're going to do that, you're going to be 90% safer than the person who's going to buy here. Some of you have experienced the part of buying or selling after, let's say maybe you're going to buy here. The market will go down before it becomes an uptrend first. Therefore, you're going to find yourself taking unnecessary losses. You're going to sell the market before it goes down. It will go up first, and then it will hit your stop loss, then it will continue with the downside. Some of you will say, I know the market was hunting my stop loss, blah, 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 blah. I don't believe in that. According to my experience in the market, whatever that you get or whatever that happens, happens for a reason. If you want to know more information about that, you can go to my website. You'll get a course that costs 1.5. Sharp. Now let's go deeper. Let's go deeper. Let's open the chart. Here, I'll just go back a little bit. Okay, I think it's good here. Here is a perfect example that we can use. Remember, I mentioned the patterns that I use in the market. I mentioned the pattern. Let me just add them here. Okay, it's fine. I'll add them. The pattern that I use is support and resistance, supply and demand, potential continuation pattern, and trend lines. Those patterns have the capability to change the direction of the market. Always remember, if you were to check the previous videos that I always that I uploaded before, I always say go back and check your left hand side. Please don't forget to click on the notification bell and subscribe. Now, I always say go and check your left hand side. Pay attention to your left hand side. For an example, if you look at this downtrend, we have a perfect downtrend here. And then they left this candlestick unattended. Here's our downtrend. Can you see it? And then they left us this candlestick unattended. Therefore, since well they left it here, it was not attended, it was not tested. The market pushed all the way down. Here we have a resistance. It was broken. Now you want to take a decision here. The market is on an uptrend. You then decide, flip, I can see the market is pushing all the way up. I'm buying here. I'm placing my stop loss roughly here. This is 3-hour time frame. You decide to buy here without checking your left hand side. You check your left hand side, we have this candlestick that is pushing the market down. You buy here, the market will push all the way down. What is it that we have here? We have a break of structure. We have a break of structure here. Break of structure. Or let me just say PS, break of structure. We have a break of structure here. Once a resistance is broken, it becomes a support. The market pushed all the way up again. Now the market came back, your stop loss, you are safe, your stop loss is gonna be below. We're gonna talk about that also. Now remember, you paying attention on your left hand side will give you more power to get trades that are positive. Okay, let's forget about whatever that happens here and move along with the uptrend. Now you notice that the market is pushing up. They gave us this. Let's say you notice that if the market is keep on going up, I'm buying here. You decide to buy here. What I was talking about here, that you don't just buy anyway. You have to wait for the right opportunity so that you can get in to find yourself preventing unnecessary losses that you could take. So the best thing you can do, wait for the right opportunity. The right opportunity will give you the right results or the good results. Now you notice that, flip, on this uptrend, there's one thing that I have. Remember the patterns that I mentioned that I use in the market. What is it I have on this pattern, on this uptrend? I have a PCP. If you don't know what a PCP is, go to my website, you'll get a course there. Now you notice that here, we have a PCP. The market came back to test the PCP. Can you see that? Your stop loss is going to be below. Look at the results. Now you have a PCP here that was left on your left hand side. Therefore, you decide to buy here. Remember, I said avoid jumping in on a moving trend. Do not jump in. Wait for the right opportunity and then you execute. Imagine buying here. Where else you have this candlestick here? They push the market down. They take your stop loss. Your stop loss is going to be roughly here. Some they're going to put it tighter. The market will take their stop losses before it continues with the uptrend. They will be then say, yeah, the market was hunting my stop loss. Hey, the broker is manipulating me, blah, 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 blah. Go deeper, seek for more information to find yourself safer. Now you notice that, flip, they tested the potential continuation pattern. Now they are coming down. What is it we have on your left-hand side? You have your support there. That's fresh. You're expecting the 10-year again. What do? You buy. You're pushing the market up. Forgive my horizontal line is not straight. Sharp. We're pushing the market up now. What is it we have here? We have the support, of which is our first time touch. Second time, we still have the power to buy here. We buy here. Remember, you don't jump in. For an example, someone decided to jump in and kill the market here. That's what they say. We are killing the market. We are killing the market. It's a sell. It's a sell. They start selling here. Then the market continues with the uptrend. They were like, no, the broker was manipulating. No, the broker was not manipulating. Whatever that you were doing, you did not know what is it you're doing. You're just speculating, guessing, doing whatsoever that you feel like saying. Whereas it is wrong. Sharp. Now, we are still pushing the market up, right? You notice that, okay, fine, the market It's roughly here, and they left you this candlestick here. Therefore, you know that the market's going to come back to this candlestick. It came back to this candlestick. You add orders, you place your stop loss below. The market is pushing up. What is it you have? You have a support here. They came back for the support. You just relax, getting it. Don't find yourself jumping in and out, in and out. Do not jump in when there's no opportunity, guys. When there is an opportunity, get in and buy. When there's no opportunity, don't force opportunities. You'll find yourself taking unnecessary losses. But if you wait for the right opportunity, there are higher the chance that you're going to find yourself profitable. The minute you start creating opportunities that are not there, the higher the chance that you're going to find yourself taking unnecessary losses. Sometimes it will take you a day or two without getting trades, more especially if you are using higher time frame like me. But if you use smaller time frames such as 1 hour, 30 minutes, it also depends. Sometimes it goes a day without getting a trade. The market can just push all the way up. There's nothing that you can do. And if the market manages to push all the way up, do not create opportunities that are not there. That's another reason why we have higher people who are taking losses that they could have prevented. For an example, someone will come back here and be like, yeah, I see the market is on a downtrend here. I'm selling. What are you selling here specifically? You don't know. Just because of you can see the higher and the lower lows, and then you expect the market is going down. Therefore, you have to look for sell opportunities. Yes, you have to look. If you are looking for sell opportunities here, you must know where you're gonna exit specifically. And you must pay attention to your left side. Pay attention to your left side. Make sure that you pay attention to your left side. It's very important. Now, if you were to check, what is it you have here? You have a potential continuation pattern that pushed the market up. Imagine if you decide to sell here and expect that the market's still going down. You're expecting the market to turn here. Now, if you don't know what a potential continuation pattern is, I advise you to go to my YouTube channel. I advise you to go to my website. My website is www.forexdreamchasers.com. You will get a course there. Let me just add the website here. The website here so that you guys can see. The website is www.forexdreamchasers.com. That's where you're gonna get almost everything that you need. It is the website www.forexdreamchasers.com. You can go and visit it whenever you are free. Now you notice that the market is continuing pushing the market up, right? We are using 3-hour time frame. We can use smaller time frame if you want to, but personally I prefer higher time frames. I'll explain someday why I prefer higher time frames. You notice that the market is coming down again. Don't find yourself jumping in if there's nothing that you are trading here. As you see that the market is pushing down, go to your left-hand side. Your left-hand side will tell you where the market's going to turn. Let me add the horizontal line here so that you can see. Add the horizontal line. Here's my horizontal line. What is it I have here? My support as the first time. The market came back to test the support as the second time. Again, in the beginning of the new trend, which is this one, I have the supply and demand. Here, what is it I have? I have two patterns that I use daily, which is going to be what? Support and resistance. And what else again? Supply and demand. Here's my supply and demand. Here's my support. Therefore, I know that both patterns allow me to do what? To buy. Let's say, for an example, there's a trader that is trading support and resistance. What are they going to do here? They're going to buy. Again, we have traders who are trading. We have traders who are trading supply and demand. They're gonna buy again. Both of them, they agree that we are pushing the market up. Therefore, the market's gonna go up. But if this one is saying you're going down, this one is saying you are going up. Therefore, you must look for more confirmations. I don't use candlestick personally. I'll explain someday why I don't use candlestick. If you use candlestick, you are also correct. You can use them. But personally, I don't use them. Hence, I mentioned that I will explain someday why I don't use them. Now, let's move a little bit to our right. I want you to observe Now, you check your left-hand side again. I'll use my horizontal line and push it a little bit up. I'll push my horizontal line up to this level. Why I place it here? I have a resistance that was if you check here, what is it I have? If you check here, I have a resistance. It was broken. It became a support here. Always remember that once a support is broken, it becomes a resistance. Do not forget to pay attention to such information. Please, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. If it's your first time seeing my live, don't forget to like and subscribe. If there's something that you do not understand, please let me know on the comment section.